Hi, it's Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Today is a really exciting day. I'm getting to share with you one of my new styles. This is Alexandra from the Alexander Couture Collection. I designed this style with a few various things in mind. I wanted something that would be super trendy, super feminine, very wearable, and really natural. So Alexandra, she is in Plumberry Jam-LR. So the LR stands for the long root, so we've got that nice ombre section coming through. Now when I designed this for you guys, I designed it with the nice full bangs in here. So I think that just looks really on trend, really fashion forward, and really cool. You can see we haven't really got a curl, we've got more of a wave kind of coming through there. So what am I going to do with Alexandra today? Today I'm going to give you a little party style. So first off, if I explain how this wig is, it is a lace part and it is a lace front. So the lace front is underneath the bangs, so really the bangs could be taken back because you've got that nice lace front there. But I'm going to keep the bangs in for the party style, and I'm going to work from where the part is, which is just here. Split this into 3 and just put the first initial braid in there. I'm going to pick some more hair up, put that hair within the section. And the same to that section. Now we've got that first braid in, coming from the lace part, I'm just going to use the tail comb and I'm just drawing a line. So like a pen, just draw a line with the comb, and then from where about the temple area is, I'm going to position and lift this piece of hair out the way. So this is going to create some body and some height towards the ends. So we don't need this piece of hair just yet until we come to finishing the style. So I'm just going to pop that out the way. I'm going to, just with that other side, just here, just pop that out the way with a grip. I've just left this one piece of hair out here, which I'll get to in a moment. I'm now going to take the 2 braids and turn them round one another like so, and then that can be moved and turned into something for party hair, or can be left down, or you could even take this strand of hair, which I'm going to show you, which I've left out, and then take that strand of hair, do you see? That one strand becomes like a hair tie. So we're going to move that hair around and look, that one strand like a hair tie, like a hair tie, like a hair tie, and like a hair tie, in case you decide to leave it down. Okay, so then what we're going to do, protect holding spray. I'm just going to put a little bit of the spray on that area. And then with a fine pin, I'm just going to get the fine pin and secure what we've already done. So as that spray is just setting that in, we've got the 2 braids sat together. Our last remaining piece of hair, which is at the top, which I said to leave to last. You know, you can do something very, very vintage and wrap something up like this, which looks pretty cool. So it's like a kind of victory roll, which you can put in there. You can even make it kind of quiff coming from the top. I quite like making that sit with a little bit of height up top, which I'm going to incorporate this into our area with the height. Now you can see, guys, it's starting to come together. You know, this hair here, which has got the movement to it, it's starting to come together very, very nicely. Before we fully finish, I've got some accessories with me. So remember, this is a party hair look. So I'm gonna start just dotting these accessories into the hair, which is a great way to you know, give it that extra little boost if you're going out, or you know, if you know you've got it's something that will work really nicely with what dress or what outfit you're wearing. And then you can try a couple of things. You can try wrapping the 2 braids. I've really enjoyed today. I've really enjoyed styling my new wig, Alexandra, in Plumberry Jam-LR. I wanted to share with you a bit of a party look today. So to talk you through what we did, we left the bangs out because the bangs are the hero of this design. We created a bump in the sides, but we first started with these 2 sections here, and we just put in a couple of braids against the scalp, but nothing too uniform, so it just creates a little bit more detail. We did the same on this side, taking that back and then just incorporating that into 2 braids. Then we had 2 braids together. So what I did was I pinned those and I left a piece of hair out and I wrapped that hair around to hide the band. And then what I've done is to each braid was a 3-strand braid. So then I've knitted them together to create this really cool, unique kind of 6-strand braid, and just put these together so it's got loads of detail. And then from when I created this nice little bump up top, I actually left quite a little bit of hair out just so I could comb that hair into place. So basically what we got was we got the bump, then we got some of these nice purple ends all flowing into this tail. And then just to dress it up a little bit, I just added a few of these little diamante flowers. I mean, you don't have to do that, guys. It looks quite cool, it looks quite nice, it finishes it off. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. I've really enjoyed doing it. I've really enjoyed working on my new wig, Alexandra, so I hope you've really enjoyed that. Always remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all the social media platforms, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.